everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be showing you our bird's morning routine. Well, good morning, little birdies. Hi. Let me turn the lights on. Hello. Hello, sweetie. Okay, well, first we'll open up the cage. We'll open this. We'll take the blanket. Well, taking the blanket off. Here we go. Here, T-Pups. Okay. Hi. Good morning. Then we'll open the blinds. Oh, goodness. Here we go. Now the blinds are open. And then, yeah, sorry if the camera's a little bit bumpy. Today I'm filming by myself because my sister and brother are not available. Okay. Nova's like, oh yeah. She knows what it means when I start opening everything up. Hi. Yeah, it's open. Come on, guys. It's time to come out. Looks like Novi's having fun. What you see? You see a crow? Is that a crow? Yeah, come on. Good girl. Good girl. Let's watch Novi. We're gonna come out, sweet girl. Come on. Oh, and I forgot one thing. Their playground needs to be cleaned, but I'll do that in like a couple minutes. I got your playground for you. Here's your playground. Come on, Novi. Oh, you're so cute. Come on. She's decided she is going to do something. Hey, come on, Novi. Good girl. Come on. What you doing? What you doing? You having fun? And now you're chewing on your cuddle bone? Gosh, you're being loud. Well, their water. I changed their water and they have huge food containers. We need to find a way to hang them up because when we got them, they were built a little bit the wrong way. So, because they were supposed to, they just wouldn't work. We couldn't hang them up on the inside of the cage because they weren't designed the right way. So we had to put them on the bottom of the cage for now. But we're going to hang them up in our next video, probably, or in our nighttime routine. Will you let me talk? So, we're still working on trying to figure out how to hang those up. And their water I filled up and cleaned. And now Novi's being silly. You know what, Novi? Let me take that toy down. Okay? I'm gonna take the toy down. Because any colored toys or painted wood and bells are not good for your birds. Because the bells, when they chew on it, it releases they're just not healthy for them to chew on. And the paint, little bits of the paint they can swallow, and it can make them sick. And this playground is fairly new. This will be our bird's very first Christmas. So we got this a week after we got our first birds. Here we go. I have to try to figure out what we're going to do with this bird toy. Oh, now you're on your perch and you're happy. I can hear that's Pearl and Princess Leia chirping, because all their voices sound different. They have a lot of energy this morning. Wow. Okay. Well, thank you everybody for joining us today. We hope you liked it. Bye.